The World Expo is one of the oldest events in the world that started 175 years ago. It takes place every 5 years in different host cities and lasts for exactly 6 months. Each and every expo has a different theme that tackles an ongoing problem facing the world. But what really is a World Expo? And where did this concept come from? Well, Expo stands for exposition, which means a large public exhibition of art and trade goods. The earliest versions of the expositions coincided with the spread of the Industrial Revolution from England to the United States, and these events became a platform at which countries could display their latest innovations. The global event is devoted to finding solutions to challenges facing humanity through international cooperation with the focus on technology, scientific, economic, and social progress. The first World Expo took place in London in 1851, followed by the one in Paris in 1855, where a prototype of the first washing machine was presented. In Philadelphia's edition of World Expo in 1876, the world was introduced to ketchup for the first time, in addition to the telephone presented by Alexander Graham Bell for the first time. While most expos focused on cheap, temporary prototypes, other than expos featured costly, permanent structures just like the famous Eiffel Tower that was revealed as a part of the 1889 World Expo in Paris. Paris is the only city in the world that has hosted the World Expo for 6 times. To spice it up with a little bit of fun fact, the most attended World Expo was in Shanghai in 2010, as an estimated 73.1 million visitors attended the event. Expos have set a goal starting with increasing the public's awareness of the challenging faces by humanity throughout the world and extended to sparking social responsibilities and shaping new behaviors. International Horticulture Expo 2023 in Doha continues the tradition of implementing innovation in real life. Under the theme Green Desert, Better Environment, which mainly aims to combat desertification, this year's Expo displays techniques that enable the sustainable cultivation of trees and crops in arid lands and other solutions to reverse the desertification problems evident around the world. The last 2 editions of the World Expo are set in Gulf countries, as previously hosted by Dubai in 2020, followed by the one that will take place in 2030 in Riyadh. With Riyadh now adding its name to the list of historical contributions to the event is expected to catch the attention of global audiences and attract an estimated 40 million visitors. However, before the World Expo in the Saudi capital Riyadh, another will be held in 2025 in Osaka, Japan, under the theme Designing Future Society for Our Lives.